Hey, welcome back to another update on the McKinley Ridge Model Railroad. Really excited to finally have track down and trains running on the layout. Um, it is now September of 2024, and the bench work for this started in November of 23. So it's been a process, but I'm really excited. Today I wanted to show some of the track work, and it has probably been the hardest part of the layout so far. I have the power coming in here, and as you can see, I started to solder the connections here. What I did was I took apart probably an old, probably 15-year-old Bachmann power pack, which some people say is underpowered. So far for me, it's worked well. But basically took it in here and then split it so that one wire is feeding the three inside rails and the other wire is feeding the three outside. And that was a slow process, but got that to work, and then soldered those connections. And the inside is, oh gosh, I don't know the radius, but the inside is all individual pieces of track. And then these outside, like that outside main line, is flex track into some custom cut pieces. And that was definitely a challenge getting those to work. As you can see, I hot glued the track down. And whenever you see hot glue, there's usually a safety pin cut in half. Like that's a full one, just holding those two sidings. But yeah. Let me know. I'm hoping the ballast will clean this up quite a bit, make it look better. But for now, the priority is just get the trains running smoothly, and we can see one run right now. I'm gonna power this right up, and we'll see it head around the inside loop. Got a couple cars there for testing and whatnot. You can see I got that earth tone paint started, and hoping to move on to some greenery here soon. But yeah, it's really exciting to see trains finally running on this layout. We can head over here and get it switched over to the outside. Make sure that's good to go there. And now we've got it running on the outside loop. And again, this was probably the harder one to get set up, just because of those flex tracks. But really excited to see that running smoothly. You can see right here the kink isn't great right there, but it doesn't seem to be affecting the train too much. I'm really excited to get this section here where locomotives can just be parked. Got the two main lines, and then the two sidings here will go into the mine industry. I actually broke this right-handed turnout. I melted the switching mechanism when I was learning how to solder, so I need to buy a new right-hand turnout. But yeah. Cannot wait to get the track all dialed in and then continue on with the scenery. Again, if you want to support the layout and all the projects that are going along with it, you can consider joining my Patreon. And Patreon members get the McKinley Ridge Model Railroad mug and help support this build. So, hope to see you in a future video, and thanks for watching.